Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are exploring a fantastic new feature in Microsoft Paint on Windows 11 called Image Creator. This AI-powered tool lets you generate custom images instantly, bringing your ideas to life in seconds. So whether you are working on a project, designing something unique, or just want experimenting, Image Creator makes it incredibly easy and fun. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to hit the start button and then search for pen and click the top result to open the app. And then you have to click on Image Creator button from the command bar. And then you have to compose a description for the image you want to create with AI. Optionally, you can also choose one of the available options such as charcoal, ink sketch, watercolor, oil painting, and more from the Choose a Style menu. And then you have to hit the create button, and that's about it. Once you complete these quick steps, the pen tab will connect to the cloud to generate different samples of the image you want. You can then select one of the variants to add to the canvas to continue editing it. It's important not to confuse Image Creator with Co-Creator, which is another feature for Copilot Plus PCs that can scan your drawing and help refine and create a more artistic version of your drawing. And that's pretty much it. With just a few clicks, you can generate all sorts of images and unlock a whole new level of creativity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.